When Katharine was really little, she was on the swim team. Before you can compete, you have to finish at least one lap. But she made it. And she got out of the pool and says, I can't believe I did it. I can't believe I made it. And then a little later on, trying out for the travel soccer team and the like, and she says, when you see the result, I can't believe I made the travels. And I remember the day she called me and she said, I got accepted to Virginia Tech. I can't believe I'm going to college. This week we were talking a little bit. We were talking about this evening. She says, I can't believe I found someone who loves me so much. And I thought to myself, well, Katharine, you can believe it.
I still remember the moment I knew you were the one. It was simple but so representative of your giving and gracious heart. We were sitting on a bus in Ireland. You were chatting away with someone very typical of you. You were eating Mentos candy, and I remember thinking to myself, if he hands me that last piece of candy, I know he loves me. And sure enough, that's what you did.
Our relationship since day one has felt like a movie. There hasn't been a day that hasn't felt right, and we've never looked back. This day, for some, is the pinnacle of their climb of life together. But for us, it's still just the beginning.
We're seeing shadows on the water.
Oh, you do.
1,414 days since our first date. Who would have thought an intelligent, beautiful girl living in Southport, Indiana, but from Virginia, would fall for a guy from a little old Jeffersonville? My heart's beating really fast. Oh my God. Damn.
Damn.
It's no secret that my mind is always running and it's hard for me to slow down. When you entered my life, my world stopped.
We're seeing shadows on the wall.
This is a new beginning for you. Marriage is one of the greatest gifts God has given us. You will learn new things about one another, experience new things. You will love, laugh, fight, make up, grow together, and take care of each other, and so much more. But don't ever forget the love that you have for one another, and how powerful that is. For indeed, it's the most powerful weapon in your arsenal.
Today I say I do, but it's more than just that. It's I will. I will be your rock, your life partner, and stand by your side through good and the bad. I promise to always hold you close, but never hold you back.
I promise to love you the way that you deserve to be loved. While we have many big moments together, of course, to reflect on, it has been those little moments with you that showed me that you are the man I want to spend the rest of my life with. For instance, when you immediately give me your ice cream if I say I like your flavors better, or letting Banks greet me first because you know how happy it makes me. Your love shows up in so many different ways. Like how you remind me to call my mom if I haven't talked to her in a little while, or to never apologize for prioritizing my goals. It's also when you compliment my cooking when we both know it's really not that good.
It's good.
It is not.
I promise to be your life partner you've always wanted and what you needed. We will cherish every second together. Lastly, I promise to be patient. We will work as a team where we can conquer everything in life.
You never miss an opportunity to say I love you or to hold my hand. Thank you for believing in me and for believing in us. I have a feeling this next adventure will be the best one.
To let the rest of our lives decide.
He made the faces.
We do this by the book. Brad, you may now kiss your bride.
Some would call it fate, or some would call it divine intervention, that these two met on the Hinge dating app when they were well outside of their search radius.
You got what I like. When you're not around, I don't feel right. Like you usually right now.
I can remember him going on and on about how he was really falling for this girl after such a short period of time.
Daylight, but the sun.
And I can also remember him telling me that she was a little bit younger than him. Then I met Katharine, and I'm like, she's just far more mature than you, man. Like, way more mature.
I come alive, alive, alive every time when you do, you do, you do, you do. I come alive, alive when I see you alive. Yes, I do, I do, I do, I do. So fine.
Getting ready today with Katharine was reminiscent of when we used to play dress up together, poorly applying ungodly amounts of eyeshadow, except today she had some pros rather than me playing stylist and trimming her bangs to the scalp.
Daylight, put the sun on me now. I'm gonna soak up what you're giving.
Katharine, you look more beautiful than ever tonight, and it's because you're glowing and radiating with love.
Come alive, alive, alive every time when you do, you do, you do, you do. I come alive, alive when I see you alive. Yes, I do, I do, I do, I do. I come alive, yes, I do. I come alive when you do, do.
The love I've seen is worth the party and also worth the fight. It's peaceful, it's empathetic, it's kind, it's funny, it's strong, and it's deserved. I think we can all toast to Katharine and Brad finding their Taylor Swift era love, their Hinge fairy tale, and each other's soulmates.
I come alive.